Somebody to love in my life. So I've been looking all over the world, searching every jungle.
Hey my lovies, I'm coming to you with a video. This video is from our friends over at, I want to say it's pronounced Maange Beauty Store. The company is called Maange Beauty Store. Thank you so much for choosing me to review this item on my channel, and thank you to Thomason. If you're not familiar with Thomason, I will leave the link below. If you are an influencer, definitely go and check them out. They have everything on their site, things that you can apply for. Some of them are, a lot of their stuff are like freebies that you can apply for to review and do unboxings or postings on your social media sites. They also have a lot of paid things as well, so definitely go check them out. They are definitely worth it. Their customer service is bomb, because say for instance, if you have some discrepancies with a company, or if you have any questions, if you're just getting started, you can always contact their customer service. Their customer service reps, they're always polite, and they're always there to help. So yeah, so I'm reviewing this 22-piece makeup premium brush set. It is synthetic hairs on these makeup brushes, and they do retail for only $10.99 on Amazon.com. Y'all already know, check the description bar. I will have all information down below in the description bars for you lovies as well. So the set came in this bag like that, and inside you will get this bag, which is a nice suede storage bag that you will get, and then here are your brushes that are nicely packed, and they have wooden handles on them as well. And then you also get a free beauty sponge, and this beauty sponge definitely feels good as well. I'm gonna open it, and definitely stay tuned for a video of me using these brushes and this sponge at a later time. So the sponge looks like this. I definitely love the way this sponge feels. So it looks like that, and then you have all of your brushes. So, and if y'all know, so I'm looking over here, I'm looking at my notes. A couple of other things, just briefly, that the site, or the way that Maange sells. They sell eyeshadow palettes as well. They sell a wide variety of other makeup brushes, like the unicorn brushes and all that good stuff. And they also sell drying racks for your makeup brushes, which I'm definitely going to look into getting one of those, because they definitely come in handy. They also have a 4.3 out of 5-star rating, and that is out of a total of 23 reviews. And I did skim through the reviews, and a lot of their reviews are, majority of their reviews are definitely positive reviews. So yeah, and I think I actually seen one video review saying that these are some of the best brushes on Amazon. So that is definitely a plus for me, because I'm always looking for more brushes. So all of them come individually wrapped in these little plastic sleeves. Some of them slid out of the sleeves while I was taking them out, but yeah. So they look like this. I'm not going to take, I didn't want to take them all out, but some of them are sliding out. But they look like that. And here's one that is out. And it feels so soft, y'all. Like, they are super duper soft. They feel very good, very high quality, without the high quality price, of course. So this set includes some, as you can see, you have your eyebrow spoolie here. It includes blending brushes, you know, different brushes that you would use on your eyes, your eyeshadows. You have a few, you have a kabuki brush in here for your foundation. You have your blush brushes as well. You have a lip brush. This is your lip brush right there. So you have a lip brush in here, you have powder brushes, and your blush brushes. The company does state that these are definitely high quality brushes. They're high density, and that they do not shed at all. So that is a awesome thing. They are non-allergenic, antibacterial, and they said that they do absorb less liquids and creams, which is excellent. And I think this I would definitely use for my brows. Most definitely will use that for my brows. So yeah, they also state that these are perfect for normal to sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin like myself, these are definitely, they will work for you as well. So yeah, definitely go check out this 22 makeup brush set on Amazon.com from Maange Beauty Store. And like I said, do check out their other items as well. And this set you cannot beat. Like I said, you get 22 brushes. You get a free storage case as well, and then you also get a beauty sponge, which I am obsessed with beauty sponges as well. So yeah, hope you lovers enjoyed this review, and do check them out. Check down below in the bar, and I will see you lovers in the next video. Bye y'all.